Hello, so if you're watching this video, then this message was definitely meant to find you. Universe is definitely protecting you from certain things that you don't know. So currently, maybe you are going through some kind of a situation which is creating a lot of irritation in your mind, confusion in your mind, or you're not really able to understand certain people, situations, or where you are. Maybe it's like a home situation where you're dealing what you're dealing with. Maybe you want to move into a new place and you're not able to move there. um, or maybe there are a lot of obstacles that keeps coming towards you whenever you are willing to do some kind of work, and every time you want to work towards something there is certain blockages that keeps coming towards you. So if that is the situation, then this message is going to definitely be for you. I'll tell you right now very quickly what is universe trying to protect you from. So what is universe trying to protect you from? The first card you can see is the Six of Cups. The Six of Cups. I'll not take reversed. The second card, what is universe trying to protect you from? The Eight of Pentacles. The third card, what is universe trying to protect you from? The World. Wow, this is beautiful. And there's the Four of Pentacles also. So in this video, okay, first of all, this is going to resonate with you. I can hear there must be something green in front of you, something in black, something in yellow, or there's some water body. Maybe you're having water, or there's some water thing in front of you. Some red light, or something related to light, some kind of lights being lit up or switched off, or something related to light which you've just done. Maybe there's some journals, some things kept around you. So if it resonates with you, that is great. If it is not, then don't worry, it's just um, it might resonate with some people. Okay, so first of all, I see that the universe is trying to protect you from emotional distance. So there are some people who are capable of creating emotional distance from you, and that would be like really heartbreaking you in the future. But what is happening is, currently, because of the situation that you currently are in, this is going to protect you, and the Six of Cups is showing that universe will definitely protect you from any kind of such situations. Just one second. So I don't know how, but every time I have to channel the message and I have to tell you what is, you know, coming up for you, or what is being blocked, or what is being, how you've been protected. There are certain forces that kind of like make sure that I don't get to tell it to you, but it's my determination, guys, that I'm um, with determination I'm telling you, because this really needs to find you, and that's why I'm channeling this for you. So universe is not protecting you in one way, it's doing it in multiple ways. Like you see, maybe you were in a relationship with someone or for a long time, and you are experiencing like a lot of emotional distance from them. So now universe is trying to protect you from that emotional distance. Okay, there is something that is closed off. Your partner, maybe if you are interested in someone, or the person you are dealing with, maybe they are really closed off, they're emotionally withdrawn, or they want to understand things logically, while you operate emotionally. They are more of a logical person and want to analyze emotions on a logical aspect. So that is something that is really, of course, disturbing you, creates confusion, and you don't really feel loved the way you expect to be loved, right? So creating misunderstandings, you might have fights, you might have certain things. So the universe right now is doing certain things behind screen for you, that is going to protect you from all of those things. So maybe you have blocked them, maybe you are not really talking much to them, or maybe you are talking but you're mentally kind of like protecting yourself. So whatever is happening currently, this is going to become better in the future, because um, you are being protected right now from that emotional distance. So you have been asked that start, channelizing all those energies that you keep pouring on to other person, your better half, or any other partner, or some partner of interest. Start putting it back to you, and start falling in love with your own schedule. Start falling in love with your own self. Start falling in love with, how amazing you are and your life is, right? So when you do that, your energy will significantly shift, and that will attract your person of interest back to you, because when you change your energy, things change around you. So if you are living in a room where clothes are like around different places. It's like, put in different places, or say the lights are not so good, so you can, change those lights into some kind of interesting lights that kind of interest you. Maybe add some fairy lights, maybe add some yellow lights, add some pink lights. And if you are sleeping, then do check your vastu directions on where you're putting and how's your bed condition. So do make sure that, you sleep on the right direction, which is good for you. Secondly, put a bowl of salt next to your your wherever you put your, your headboard, or where you, the way you, on the direction in which you sleep, so that, any negative energies can get dissolved and it doesn't affect you, so that your sleep cycles are not interrupted, and you have a good sleep. The good sleep is really, really very crucial for you. I see that for the past few nights you've not been able to sleep very well, and you have been like overthinking, and that is creating more of a loop, because the universe does not understand what you are begging the universe for, or please help me. This language universe does not understand. Universe responds to frequency, so you can only expect better outcomes by changing your own frequency. So definitely salt has always been a very good cleansing factor, so do use salt. First of all, you have been asked to take bath also. Bathing is very important. I had made a short also, in that also I've said that do make sure that you cleanse your system. There can be spiritual attacks or anything like that, so you have to use protective rituals to protect your space. I am significantly feeling that in your room you need to, like, light some camphor with some cloves, and affirm it that any negative energy sent my way goes back to the sender, or any third party involvement that can come in my relationship does not come, because my relationship is protected. So use 5 cloves and burn camphor with it, like Bhimseni camphor. It really works. And also you are asked to prioritize praying, meditating, and things that will uplift your energy. I hear a clear message on you watering your plants. Some plants that are there in your house, please water them, or keep some flowers in your room. Add some elements of lovely flowers in your room. Maybe you were feeling attracted to buy some flowers and you've not been buying it, so buy it for yourself. I hear that song, the Miley Cyrus song, that I can buy my own flowers. So yeah, like, channel that energy. The more you treat yourself with love, the more universe responds back to you with love. If you neglect yourself, then universe will also neglect you. So it's just, universe is like a mirror, right? So whatever you will do, universe will reflect back. So also I hear that you are being asked to write down all the negative self beliefs that you have, like you're not worthy of love, or the one you love never loves you back, or you are just not loved, anything related to the love situation, or your finance situation, like you're broke, or finances are never working fine for you. Any negative emotions that you have, write them down. Even though you're supposed to do this letting go ritual during the full moon time, but it's the new moon today. Still, only you will be able to manifest when you have let go of the old emotions, because you cannot manifest with your older version. For a newer reality, you will have to unfold a newer version of you, right? So you have been asked to unlock, yeah, you have been asked to unlock something, and that will happen by unlocking your new version, right? So you have to get ready to move your body, move your systems, like start grooving to good music, start your morning with a good cup of coffee, matcha, or drink. Start romanticizing your own life, start wearing clothes that makes you feel happy, and yeah start start something. I hear the word start doing something, start making that routine, okay? Then universe is also, see, with the 8 of Pentacles, universe is also trying to, like, protect you from fake opportunities, or like chaotic environments. See, you can see with the 4 of Pentacles, like, clearly here some house environment, some home related thing that has been going on. That is something that has been creating a lot of chaos and lot of disbalance, or just breaks your vibe, probably. So universe is trying to protect you from that. So you've been asked to trust the process. Universe has been protecting you, so you at least have to have the faith to understand that wherever you are right now, it is not your final position. So guys, you will not believe it, if you're watching it, that how many times my videos are getting interrupted, so that what I am telling you should not reach you. So if you want to claim the positive energy, and if you want the positive things should start happening in your life, then do right, I claim the positive energy do right, I am ready. Okay, when you write it, it means you're affirming it, and energy exchange is real. So if you're watching this video either on Instagram or on Facebook, sorry, Instagram or YouTube, you are asked to either follow it or subscribe it and share it with the good people who you care about, because sharing is caring, and when you share good thoughts, it comes back to you, right? So you have been asked to trust the process. And third thing I would say that universe is protecting you from is, people slowly leaving your life. There could be an energy like that. So universe is trying to keep only those kind of people in your life who can handle your growth. Not everybody can handle your growth. Not everybody will feel happy when you start doing well. So those people don't deserve to be a part of your life. There will be people who will be so burning whenever you will start to do well, and you know whenever you try to do something, they'll always create blockages. They'll always try to pull you back, so that because they are comfortable with you only when you are in your older identity. Whenever you are shifting into a new identity in a new timeline, they will not like it. So what they'll do is they'll create a lot of problems, a lot of drama, a lot of issues in your life, trying to put black magics and a lot of things. So you don't have to get affected with that. Universe is protecting you from it. Okay, so what happens, timelines that would have exhausted your spirits are been changed. Okay, and in this kind of process, what is really important is you understand the process and you be peaceful, and you make sure that your energy is good. Sometimes it may feel like delay, sometimes it may feel like confusion, sometimes it might feel like people are disappearing, and sometimes it might feel like closed doors. But your intuition will become sharper, and the more you are in faith energy, the more you trust the process, the more you will be aligned. So this is for today, and I will channel another energy, and I will definitely connect with you again. But please make sure that you keep yourself protected. Do protection rituals. If you have a rose quartz bracelet, then do wear rose quartz, do wear amethyst, do wear black tourmaline. These are good protective bracelets. And also make sure how you start and you end your day, and what is your thought patterns, okay, while you do it. And yeah, the house situation is definitely going to improve. I'm hearing that you will be shifting into your own house, where there will be a lot of celebrations. You'll be able to prioritize your own well-being. And when you, as a wife, as a daughter, as a mother, prioritize yourself, you can pour back to your relationships also. You can only pour back from a whole cup. You cannot pour from an empty cup. Empty cup will become something which is just there, right? And people will just leave it and go, because you're good for nothing then. So if you want to be giving, then you have to make sure that you're nurturing yourself, and you look good, you feel good, you are happy. Only then you will be able to maintain the balance and the harmony in the house. So there is something that has been trying to control you and chain you and trap you with fears, with insecurities, and that is the devil. So you are very intuitive, you would know about it, and you should not fall into any kind of traps of lust, any kind of traps of hate, any kind of traps of gossips, or say an illusion that you cannot do this and you are not good. And sometimes any negative thought patterns, like guys, like sometimes just look at yourself in the mirror and be like, I'm not so pretty, I look a certain way, and I am not like that girl or that guy. If a man can also be like, his hair is better, his height is better, his beard is better, his earnings more money. So don't get into a comparative trap. This is just a trap. God, the source energy has made you, right? So if the source energy has made the earth, if the source energy has made the stars, the moon, the entire galaxy, and that has made you, then just imagine how can you be imperfect. You are definitely not imperfect. You are just perfect the way you are. So do not get into that self-pity loop where you are continuously saying mean things to yourself, that I don't look pretty and I'm not this and that. And don't compare your life with anyone's life, and don't fall into any kind of fear trap, right? These are all illusions of your mind, so don't fall into that. Rather, just shift it to what you want to manifest, what you want in your life, and be very, very grateful. So gratitude is the only way where you just start changing and switching your energy. The moment you start saying thank you, so that is when you just quickly switch your energy. And see, love is definitely entering into your life like big time. So this is destined for you. You're going to be experiencing so much solid sweet love that you would be so grateful. So you just have to be in that love energy, which is pure and happy and very blissful, right? So just listen to what I have just said. Please don't fall into any kind of fear trap or any kind of entanglement, or just understand what is yours will stay with you, what is not yours is not meant for you. So in that process you have to surrender, and you have to focus on your own happiness, and then you can give happiness towards others also. Okay, so please hit the like button, please share this video with as many people whoever you think deserves to shift into the new timeline, because whenever you're shifting into a new timeline, something will pull you back, something will try to keep you back into your older identity. Your body will also go through some cold, some flu, some this and that, because body changes later, first the energy changes. Okay, so I hope you've got um, good value from this video. So hit the like button, and sending you a lot of love. And if you're watching it on Instagram, then subscribe, then follow, yeah, follow the Instagram channel Starly, and subscribe to our YouTube channel Angelica Tarot by Starly. And Starly is the intuitive app that is going to come up soon, which you can just go and check in every day with your emotions, your partner's emotions, anyone in your family, mom, dad, everybody. You will get complete details about their thing. It's like your pocket guide, which will always be there for you, like intuitive tool, which will always help you take the right decision and know like what the universe is trying to tell you, right? Sending you a lot of love. Bye.